Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today, this one is going to be the in-depth of the Stanley 1/4 horsepower garage door opener. So here, I got this clicker right here to make this go down. Here we go. Here it goes up. Here goes down again. Okay guys, before I end the video, I just want to show you guys a little bit around here. So you guys see, there's the pieces here that spin, and you guys see up here, that's the chain. This opener is chain driven, and there's the part right there that tells when I push the button, it tells the thing to go up and down. And you guys see there are parts here, and I can't really show you guys the entire inside of the opener because it's not easy. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time. See you later.